working in ECE department in Metro School of Engineering. Here my topic over here is wireless mobile communication. So what is meant by communication? Communication is nothing but a method or mode by which we can able to communicate each other. And the communication basically can be divided into wired communication and wireless communication. So can you give an example for wireless communication? Yeah, very good. Mobile phones are a very good example for wireless communication because you will be having a transmitter, receiver and a channel without any wires. That means a wire-free method used to communicate each other at a distance is known as wireless communication. So first of all, we can divide communication into two types. One is wired communication and another one is wireless communication. So today's class I will just leave out the wired communication and discuss in brief regarding what is meant by wireless communication. As far as the term wireless communication is mentioned, IEEE, the Institution for Electrical and Electronics Engineering, is the key factor or key parameter to mention some parameters how the communication to be done. And IEEE has mentioned some standards for propagation. And the basic standard of propagation for IEEE in the case of wireless communication is IEEE 802.xx. So, for wireless communication, the IEEE has given out one standard as IEEE 802.xx. So, next in basic digital electronics, you will be known that it is nothing but a don't care mention. So, there is no need to mention about the value xx. So, it will be a varying constant. Okay, say varying constant. That means for different type of propagation, it will be varying and it will be a constant value. Okay. Now, in this class, I will be briefing about first part as body area communication. In short, we will explain it as band. And second part is regarding personal area networks. And simply we mention it as PAN. And third part is regarding local area network or a symbol LAN. Finally, metropolitan area network and regional area network. So these are some standards used in wireless mobile communication in order to mention the throughput or the distance parameter. First we will discuss about body area network. In the case of body area network or a symbol band means it can be used in hospitals. Like in order to measure the pulse, we will be going with some EEG, electroencephalograph. So these things first of all or in decade back, 10 years back, they were using some wired connection throughout the body. Now body area network has came out so that these things can be removed and the patient can be made out as a wireless environment. That means in the operation theatre or in the sick room, they can be placed without any connection. So this is an example, very good example of body area network is an EEG or electroencephalograph signals. And second part is regarding personal area network. I hope you will be having mobile phones with you, right? and whenever you want to send or transfer some images, pictures, you will be turning on the Bluetooth connection. So this is a very good example for the personal area network, nothing but Bluetooth. So the IEEE mentioned standard is 802.15. So this is the IEEE standard for personal area network or PAN networks. And third part is local area connection. That means in order to withhold an institution, say for example, I want to get the internet connectivity throughout our campus, Metro School of Engineering. So I can have a Wi-Fi port or Wi-Fi enabled dongle so that I can get an internet connectivity throughout. So these are some particular example for the local area connection. So very good example is Wi-Fi. The full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. So day to day we are going across lot of things, but we have to get an idea. For a layman point of view, whenever we are having a laptop and we are having an internet connection, everyone will be telling it as Wi-Fi connection. And when I was asking one, what is the full form of Wi-Fi? So this must not be happen. Thing is that we have to go through each and every definition in technical words. And next part is Metropolitan Area Network or MAN network. So in VLSI design, right now we are having lot of constraints like area constraint or space or power constraints. So for these constraints, we are going to etch out some part, and finally, in order to have a long backhaul communication, we are moving through WiMAX network. This is a very good example for Metropolitan Area Network. It is nothing but WiMAX. WiMAX is a full form for Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. So from the term itself, microwave communication takes place, and as you know, in most of your houses you will be having microwave ovens. The frequency of operation will be very high, so that from that itself the throughput will be very high. So these are the example for body area network as EEG, personal area network as Bluetooth, local area network as Wi-Fi, and metropolitan area network finally give out as WiMAX. And now research is going on in the next part, regional area network. So I am going to conclude my topic regarding wireless communication or general communication we dealt. It can be subdivided or broadly classified into two parts. One is wireless and another one is wired. So in this class we mentioned something regarding the different type of the networks or the network topologies like body area network, local area network, personal area network, and finally metropolitan area network and regional area network. So this regional area network is used for some type of satellite communication, and conclude that in the case of miniaturization of this network, nowadays research is going on VLSI design. So if there is any doubt, means you can have.
Is there any hybrid topology of your?
So actually in wireless communication as such, we mention a name as heterogeneous network. Like in mathematics, we will be having a subset and superset concept. So hybrid network is nothing but if a more capacitive network is having its coverage, means it itself can imbibe the lesser networks as its subset. For example, if you are moving into Kochi airport or Trisulam airport in Chennai, you can see some hotspots. So simply you can take your laptop and you can put out your password and move out with internet connection. So they have provided you WiMAX network, but the network that you are using is only Wi-Fi. So a heterogeneous network or a hybrid network topology exists